Imagine being able to live forever, and not just you, but all of your family and friends as well. Sounds like a fairy tale, right? Well, it's not for a certain type of seaweed. Meet the Turritopsis doanae, also known as the immortal jellyfish, but it's not the only immortal creature in the ocean. There's a type of seaweed that's been found to be immortal, and it's going to blow your mind. This seaweed is called red algae. It's a type of seaweed that can be found in the ocean and has been around for millions of years. But what makes it so special? Well, scientists have discovered that it can transform its body into a younger state through a process called dedifferentiation. This means that it can essentially revert back to its polyp stage, which is the juvenile form of the seaweed, and then grow back into an adult again. This process can be repeated indefinitely, making the seaweed theoretically immortal. But how does it do this? Scientists are still not entirely sure, but they believe it has something to do with the seaweed's ability to repair its DNA. Our DNA is like a blueprint for our bodies, and as we get older, it can become damaged, leading to wrinkles, diseases, and eventually death. But the immortal seaweed has found a way to repair its DNA, allowing it to live forever. Now you might be thinking, wait a minute, if this seaweed is immortal, then why isn't it taking over the entire ocean? Well, that's a good question. The thing is, the immortal seaweed still needs to eat and live in a suitable environment. It needs nutrients and a place to call home, just like any other living thing. And if those conditions aren't met, it can still die. So it's not invincible, but it's still pretty amazing. So the next time you're at the beach, take a closer look at the seaweed that's washed up on the shore. It might just be immortal. Subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.